So here we have the set of 2 WLIVE nightstands. Now I'm going to unbox these, put them together, and then give you a quick review of everything you need to know. Alright, there we go, got everything laid out. Not too many parts, this should be a pretty simple build. Let me go ahead and start the timer here, here we go. Alright, and there we go. They're all done. Looking pretty nice. And it was actually really fast at just about 10 minutes. The top is just this 16 by 16 rustic laminate panel, and I think it looks awesome. Definitely a good spot for a nightlight. The sides are just made of hardboard covered in fabric, so it's obviously not going to be the most sturdy, but it does its job. And it just slides on these rails here and hits a stopper back there. On the bottom, there's a lot more room. You can put some books down here, or maybe some clothes or something. The rod on the side is a nice addition too. It'll keep whatever's on here from falling off. And obviously it has leveling feet down here, and those are always super helpful. They're also built pretty well. They're super sturdy, and the whole side frame is one piece. It just has a simple black paint job on it, but it looks nice. They're 20 inches tall, so they might be a little bit short, but they'd also work for like an end table at a couch. So overall, I think these are a great set of bedside nightstands. They look great, they're super sturdy, and they have a bit of room for storage.